Hi, it's Lana from Three Birds Renovations, and I'd love to take you on a tour of the bedrooms in our latest project and have a look at the colours we've selected. Come on into the master suite. So this is the master bedroom where we really wanted to create a beautiful sanctuary, retreat-like feel for the adults of the family. And the colour we chose is Dulux Eggshell Quarter. It's quite subdued, it's creamy, pinkish, and we've used it not just as a feature wall, we've actually done the whole room in it. And the real feature is the paneling on this back wall. That's what makes the statement, and the colour just works beautifully with it. It's just all very muted, but super relaxing, and we think it would just be perfect for any couple staying in here. And in the guest bedroom, we wanted to create this beautiful feeling of calmness. So we chose Dulux Classic Calm. I mean, the name said it all. And we absolutely love how it's turned out. It's such a strong green, but with really lovely earthy undertones. We picked that up through all the bed linen, the cushions, and what we did a bit differently in this guest bedroom is to contrast the wall with the skirting board. So the skirting board has been painted in Dulux white on white, and that's quite a different look to what we did in the master bedroom. And like we did in the master, we haven't just done the green as a feature wall, we've actually done all the walls in the green. We just love how that makes you feel, and you really feel like you're being enveloped by the serenity. In the nursery, we didn't want to go with a standard blue or a pink. We wanted it to feel quite unisex, but still very warm, earthy and nurturing. And in the end, we chose Shetland Lace, and then we did it two-tone using Shetland Lace Quarter up in this top section of the wall. And that's just for a bit of added interest. You know, it's not a large bedroom, but we still wanted it to feel special. So the two-tone effect really does that. Using colour can really set the tone for a space. It's no secret we love white, but don't be afraid to use some colour like we have in these bedrooms. To learn more about colour, head to the Dulux website.